Oh my god, do y'all see that? Y'all, I just received one of the dopest packages, and this package I've been waiting on, and I'm so excited to open it. So hold on, actually. Lately I've been working on animation, so this jersey is like super perfect. Fansidea sent me a custom baseball jersey, y'all, and let me tell y'all, this jersey is simply amazing. From quality, the length of how they got the size perfect, like everything was perfect. They even have the studios on the bag. And not to mention, my favorite part that really gagged me, y'all, was my logo being on the sleeve. That is like dope. So yeah, they gagged me. Also, I kind of look a mess right now, y'all. I could not wait to receive this jersey and see what it was giving, so I literally did not get dressed up for this video. And one thing I love about this company is that their quality is always top tier. Like, the vibrancy of the shirt is like but stop what you're doing, y'all, and go check them out. Go get your custom jersey, shirts, pants, whatever. Go get it.